why did we stop? You know, the message to the world is that India is in a different league. Today they see us as a country that's emerging as a top country in the world. Our chairman just told you that we have emerged beyond Japan as the fourth largest economy. And we are going by leaps and bounds. This is something we need to protect, and we will protect it. We will not allow anybody to to distract us from this purpose, etc. But we have a terrible, terrible combination of responsibilities. We need to protect ourselves, and yet we need to show to the world that we are responsible and that we don't do things to hurt somebody. We only do it to defend ourselves. So the first reaction the world gave to us was that India has a right to defend itself. And that was our major narrative success. You are talking about the issue of narratives. Our major narrative success was that India has been harmed. India has a right to protect itself and its citizens. That was the first thing. But you know, the world doesn't go by our sentiments and emotions. The world looks at a variety of things. They look at their own geopolitical circumstances. They look at what their purposes may be, economic and other purposes, etc. And therefore, fortunately, a very limited number of countries stood by Pakistan. Very limited. Many, many more countries stood by us. But of course, for them to go as far as we go ourselves is difficult. And therefore, it's important that we continue a conversation with them. And I'm sure that the authorities here, when they speak to us, will also know that you, major contributors to the economy of Korea, all of you, what your sentiments are. This will get reported. Papers will report it. We will tell them what your demands are and what you expect of us. So it's very important for us to understand that, you know, when you are thought of highly, it imposes restrictions on you. We have therefore very carefully calibrated and have said that we will do only what is absolutely necessary. We didn't attack any area of Pakistan except the terrorist camps, and we attacked them to precision. If they hadn't attacked us back, we would have stopped there. But they did attack us back, and when they attacked us back, what did we do? We neutralized the platforms they were using to attack us.